Welcome to the adding and editing pages tutorial for webeden.co.uk. Um, as you can see, we're logged in now to our Webeden account. We want to edit our website, so we will go to edit your site. This will take us to the site builder. And here we've got a draft site. Now, if I want to edit or add pages, I go on the left-hand side here and I click on pages. And as you can see on my website currently, I have two pages, a home page and a new products page. If I want to create a new page, I click on new page. I choose the type of page that I want. Now, in this instance, I'm going to add a contact us page, and I'm going to leave it called contact us. You can edit the name here if you like. But once I'm happy with the name, I just click add page. Now you see when I've added that page, the page is now appearing automatically here within the nav. I can, if I so decide, hide it on all devices or just hide it on desktop, tablet or mobile, but I'm going to keep it here for the time being. The other thing that I could potentially do is I could make this a sub page of the page that is above. And what I do is I scroll to these three dots here and then click and drag the page over. Now what happens is that the contact page will appear as a sub page underneath new products. So that's an option in terms of ordering the pages. If I wanted to change the way in which this appears, I could move new products up above home, and that will obviously change the order in the nav here as well. I can change this back to being a page in its own right on the nav. So I've got three pages. So it's very simple to create new pages and to drag and drop the order of the pages in terms of how you want them to appear within the navigation bar. So that's a simple guide to editing and adding